I just want to apologise for the lack of videos. I've just moved into my new house with my fiance, so that's good news. I'm back now, so I'll be starting to do videos, and as it's coming to Christmas, I thought it would be a good idea to do some Christmas recipes. So today I've done a simple gingerbread house, and if you like it, please like and subscribe, and let's get into it. In the pan I've got 180 grams of unsalted butter. I need 125 grams of sugar. Into the pan. We will need 150 grams of golden syrup and 150 grams of treacle. Hundred and 50 grams of treacle, and to help it come out of the bowl, if you just put it in the microwave for a minute or 30 seconds. Place the pan on the heat with the butter, sugar and the syrups, and then you're just going to let it dissolve, melt and combine together. I'll get back to you when that happens. While the rest of that's dissolving, while that's on the heat, I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger. And then half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to let that carry on cooking. While that's in there, I'm just going to weigh out the flour. We need 500 grams of flour. I'm going to add it all in. Turn the heat off, and then I'm going to mix it. Just take off the stove, and I'm going to just sort of fold it and mix so it doesn't make as much mess. And make sure everything is combined. Keep folding it over and then pressing, and you make it smoother. With this mix, I'm going to flour the surface. And I'm going to pour it out. This may be a bit warm, it shouldn't be too warm. And then I'm just going to knead it till it firms up.
Till it's cooled down.
With this, if you want to make a gingerbread man or cut them into shapes, you can keep kneading it till it goes cold, and then you can roll it out. But because I'm going to be putting it into moulds, I'm just going to press them in. So I'm going to leave it a bit warm. So I've got my moulds. And I've got some spray oil. It's just gives it an easier release. Get this flour off the mix, otherwise the flour will burn. So pull a bit. You can get these mats anywhere, really, any catering shop. I got mine from Lakeland. With this mix, I'm just going to keep flour in my hand, and I'm going to press it into the mould. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes on 160 degrees, and I will come back to you when I pulled them out of the oven. I've left them to cool down, so while they carry on cooling down, I'll start making the royal icing. For the royal icing, you'll need 3 egg whites and 500 grams of icing sugar, and we're going to whiz the egg whites up to soft peaks, and then we're going to add icing sugar every 1 tablespoon every so often. So I've just finished the royal icing. I don't know if you can see the gloss, but you know it's done when it's glossy. So I'm going to put it in the piping bag, and then we'll start decorating the gingerbread house. Right, so when you've got your gingerbread and your icing, best thing to do is to ice the decorate it first and then stick them together. So I'm going to go around the edges of the window, and then I'm going to go around the tops and make it look snowy. I'll come back to you after this, because I don't think you'll be able to see if I stand in front of the camera. I'm going to start with the back and the front, and the back and the side, so the bottom bit first. So if we ice the bottom a fair bit, stick it on, and then one of the sides, icing underneath, icing on the side of the back. Same on the other side. And then you want the front. I ice the bottom and both the sides. And if I could just try and slide it in a bit. left side ain't as straight as wanted. Fill in the gaps. And then for the roof, and the other roof. It may slide down. If it slides down, that means your icing's not thick enough. Icing on top. If you want your door open, might as well. Icing underneath, frosting on top, icing down this one side, and then push it like that. And then I've got, wherever they up, got the tree. The tree's not the best tree, but if we draw a line, I don't know. Oops. Some ginger kids. And there you go, gingerbread house.